Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. From Lila Ike's debut performance to Keznamdi's first Grammy win, the 68th staging of the award show was nothing short of a spectacle and call out on social injustices.
To stand alone, but blessed now I've got my own, yeah.
The only female nominee in this year's Reggae Album of the Year category took the stage for the event's official opening ceremony.
First of all, this is like my first time here. This is my very first album. I'm the only woman representing Jamaica and reggae tonight. You know, I feel so blessed. I feel really blessed.
IK's Treasure Self went up against Vybz Kartel's Heart and Soul, Mortimer's From Within, Jesse Royal's No Place Like Home, and Keznamdi's Blood and Fire.
Reggae music has always been a music where defend truths and rights and African liberation and black man redemption, you know what I mean? So we have to give thanks, and you know, we wouldn't be here without this great team. We have a big respect to the Test 5 family, my mother and father, respect to Nella, big respect to Cuz, the whole squad, Biggsy there, live, Danny, Alex, the whole It's Scope family is a giant man. Yo, we are represent Jamaican culture and dancehall and reggae, you know? Rastafari, aye!
While Jamaicans made a showing for the culture, some Americans laid ice on the chopping board.
Before I say thanks to God, I'm gonna say ice out. We're not savage, we're not animals, we're not aliens, we are humans and we are Americans.
The Ice Out protest is a movement against the Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE agency's policies and practices, fueled by the agency's recent actions.
Immigrants built this country, literally. So this is for them, for all children of immigrants. This is also for those who came to this country in search of better opportunity, to be a part of a nation that promised freedom for all and equal opportunity to everyone willing to work for it. Thank you for bringing your culture, your music, your stories, and your traditions here. You give America color. I love y'all so much. Thank you.
No one is illegal on stolen land. I guess I want to say I'm up here as a granddaughter of an immigrant. I wouldn't be here. I'm a product of bravery, and I think those people deserve to be celebrated.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.